more space of mind.
Shower accessories may seem like small add-ons, but they're the unsung hero of your bathroom. They keep things within reach, make every step safer, and even add a touch of personality to your space. Welcome to Beyond the Bath. I'm Curtis, and I'm joined by Will. Today we're going to share some must-have accessories that can transform your shower into the perfect mix of comfort, safety, and style. So Will, when it comes to recessed niche shelving, how does that compare to a corner shelf, say like the glass one or the acrylic one we have in the corner right there?
Yeah, so recessed niches have a clean, streamlined look. They're built into the wall, so nothing sticks out. This often gives a spa-like custom feel. They often have larger storage space that can fit multiple bottles or even customize the height for tall shampoo containers. Corner shelves are simple to install. They can be added during or even after tiling, sometimes without cutting into the wall. They're cost effective because there's less labor and materials required. So if you want a sleek, custom, high-end look and already doing a full renovation, a recessed niche is usually the way to go. If you want something budget-friendly, quick to install, flexible, corner shelves are a smart choice.
So when it comes to grab bars, what role would, say, a grab bar play in keeping the shower safer as well as more user-friendly?
Yeah, so grab bars aren't just about safety for older adults. They make the shower more accessible, comfortable, and worry-free for everyone. So many modern styles even look sleek and decorative, so they don't stand out as a hospital-like.
When it comes to corner shelves, Will, there's a couple of different styles here. We have one that's a grab bar style and one that is the glass style. What would be the main difference between these two in function and aesthetics?
A standard corner shelf, like these two, is for storage only. Now, a safety grab bar has also storage plus a reliable handhold design that prevents falls.
So why do more homeowners seem to be gravitating towards safety grab bars in their renovations?
Yeah, so I think homeowners in Ottawa, like in many other places, are increasingly choosing wall-mounted safety grab shelves that also function as grab bars in the bathroom renovations for a combination of safety, convenience, and style benefits.
So how can a crescent ring grab bar change the look and functionality of your shower?
Yeah, so crescent ring bars are one of the most designed-forward safety solutions, and they can bring a surprisingly big difference in both the look and functionality of a shower. Homeowners often see them as a style accessory, like a towel ring, rather than a medical feature.
For someone planning a shower upgrade, which accessories would you recommend as a priority?
Yeah, so if I can only pick one accessory for a shower upgrade, I'd recommend the safety grab shelf. It hits the sweet spot between safety, function, and style, making it useful for everyone on a daily, not just as a precaution.
Do accessories like grab bars add value to the bathroom renovation, or are they more of a personal comfort?
Yeah, so I think grab bars are not just about personal comfort anymore. They're becoming part of smart, value-adding bathroom design. If chosen in modern styles and installed with care, they can absolutely raise the bathroom's appeal and resale value, while also giving the current homeowner more peace of mind.
So how do you balance style and function when choosing the different shower accessories?
So I think balancing style and function in shower accessories is all about picking pieces that not only make the bathroom safer and more organized, but also blend into or elevate the overall design. The bottom line really is if an accessory doesn't solve a real problem and enhance the look, it's probably not the right fit. The sweet spot is finding pieces that disappear into the design until you need them. That's the perfect balance of style and function.
So what combination of accessories would create the ideal shower for someone's lifestyle?
So at least one safety feature, grab bar, grab shelf, or crescent bar, smart storage, niche, or shelf, comfort feature like a bench or a handheld shower. That trio creates a shower that feels organized, safe, and enjoyable, no matter the user's stage of life.
Thank you very much, Will.
Welcome.
Choosing the right accessories is one of the easiest ways to make your shower more functional and enjoyable. At Bytown Bath, we specialize in creating premium shower and bathtub systems across Ottawa. Just visit us at bytownbath.com to book your service.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's considering a bathroom renovation. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Will, reminding you to always enjoy a shower built with care. for the way you live.